Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm going to be using Saponificio Varesino 80th. I was in the mood for it. It smells so good. It smells really good. Gonna be using the matching splash. And for the razor, I decided to go well since we're going with the 80th theme. I'm gonna be using the Mühle R89 80th anniversary stainless steel with the tiger blade. It's pretty mild and I enjoy it. It's really good. Still kind of pretty efficient. For the brush, I'm gonna be using, you haven't seen that this one in a while. Well, no, you haven't seen that. I barely use this brush. Alpha shaving the king. This is a 30 millimeter synthetic knot. Already loaded. I already loaded from the puck because it's a puck, and I'm not selling that. So it's gonna be a good one. It smells really nice. Hope everybody's doing well in this beautiful. Oh my god, it smells so good. I forgot how good this thing smells. It's 2:30 in the morning. Yeah, I slept a little bit better, kind of. I have a couple of all the brushes, but I rarely use them. I'm just a bigger fan of the resin and, well, mainly resin. I don't have that many wood handles too. But it's pretty comfortable and chunky. Very heavy aluminum handle. It came in titanium also, but obviously this one is not. This one is aluminum. It's pretty old. I would change the knot. It works. It works, but I will put a more dense knot or a more modern one. I don't know what knot is in this one, but it works, as you can see. It's gonna do the job. It's not really floppy, but doesn't have much backbone. Although I'm not a fan of backbones. I would prefer it to be more dense, that's all. But it works. For some reason, I don't use it, but it looks fine. Perfectly fine. Very different. I haven't seen another one. Steve told me that there's not that many made. Not a lot of them. Man, look at that lather. It's already looking great. It's looking very good. Now today at work is gonna be an easy day. This week has been very easy. Good hours, very good hours. I'm looking at a 60-hour week. It's gonna be a good one. And look at the lather, wow. And the lather is just looking so good. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Very nice lather. Stick it. So far I only have 2 loads. Did I put the blade? I didn't put the blade. Nope. I didn't put the blade. I'll be right back. And as Brett will say, and we're back. Tiger Platinum still. Third use would be? Don't know. It wasn't that way. This is way too mild. I really enjoy this razor. It's very smooth, very enjoyable. This is like out of the 3 classic stainless steel razors that they made recently, this one is my favorite. It has more blade feel than the Merkur, for sure. But it's smoother. And out of the 3, it's the one better built. This one is CNC machine, 316L. The other ones are cast injection mold. Man, look at that lather. Yeah, we got sleekness. Very nice, very, very nice. Very nice. The scent is very cologne-y, I would say. I know it has some citrus and other stuff, but I can only tell you that I like it. Yeah, this blade is feeling already tuggy, huh? Yep, definitely this is the last shape of this blade. Definitely. Man. Very enjoyable. Very enjoyable. Super easy paint on. Easy shave. Now what I'm noticing is that I'm feeling the corners of the base plate more. I don't remember that. Feeling that on my previous shave with it. Anyway. Well, doing a pretty good job, as expected. There's no reason for it to be bad. There is no reason for it to be bad. Hopefully Mühle brings it as a regular model for sale. They already have stainless steel models, so why not? especially when they are 89, is supposed to be their best seller. This is my hardest area, so I gotta buff a little bit on that if I want to take everything out, or as close to everything out. Very nice. You can see. Yeah, he's doing the job. I only have like 24 hours of growth, 25 hours, something like that. Man, that was a great shave. Simple, no issues, just effective. And I'm looking at the time. Wow. Yeah, there's a little bit of cross. There you go. Excuse me. That's pretty good. That was a nice shave. Even I cut the bump. It's not bleeding. Very nice. Very good residual thickness. Time for the splash. Always shake it. You gotta shake it always. Shake. Little bit of a puddle. Little bit of a burn. And I need a haircut. I need to make time. I haven't made the time to cut my hair. Let's see if today I made the time. I've been working long hours, so haven't made up. I can make it. I just haven't made it up. Yeah, got everything. That was a great shave. It was indeed a great shave. It smells so good. Has a little bit of a cooling effect, the splash. So now it feels like, ah. But it's very nice. Man, that was a great shave. I said it a million times anyway. Anyway, thank you for watching. As always, that's gonna be it for today. And I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.